February 10th, 2018. I wanted to take a look at this huge storm. It's running up the whole East Coast. It just started raining here in Western Maryland. But mainly right here over Houston and here off the Alabama, Mississippi coast. So you can see all the planes out in front, all over top, all through all this crap. And then here I just want to show how hot that's getting. It's funny how these just, bloom up in one singular spot. Just, this is 96, so this is like the past, I don't know, like 8 hours at least. 13 hours, that is. So for 13 hours, this, the storm's just cooking over fucking Houston. And off the coast here, off of Mississippi coast. Here's the visible feed of that. So you can see all the planes, all the filth from the fucking planes, seeding all that crap, and then just cooking right there. And this is just the past 48 frames, which is, the past 3 hours or so. Now, a friend last night sent me a video, because as this moved up, you seen all the planes out in front of it up there in Tennessee, Kentucky, and she sent me a video, and you could hear the, I guess you'd call it thunder, but it's like, I guess, what do you call it, detonation of chem bombs, or they're activating the chem bombs. And yeah, it just sounds like freaking cannons going off. Here, I caught some, let's see, this was last year, but it sounded like cannons going off, just like thunder that reverbed for like, I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could like, I don't know, it sounds like freaking cannons going off. But anyways, yeah, they're cooking up a mess down here. Shitstorm covering the whole eastern half of the United States. Rain, rain, more rain. But that's all. I just want to show this cooking down here in Houston. For 12 hours, for the past 12 hours, just, just cooking over Houston. That's all.